What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking here about the Texas ox400 roll. Now, as you can see, this machine's been used almost like the same day I use the machine. You use it on food, use it on the trailer, use it, everything has been used to make it recently. And this is a really good tool, good piece of equipment in my opinion. And I say that because this is actually the most decent power, gas power. This is a fuel ejected engine, which means it actually makes sense a little bit. But the thing is though is this thing actually works for the money, and you don't see anything like it, especially this machine. They call this one an ox400 because this thing actually works like a money. And I was a little dirty now because it's been used almost like every single day of the machine. But you know what? I mean, this thing actually works pretty good, and I was surprised this thing actually feels out pretty good, and you can tell. But not too bad am I saying, but it's what it is exactly on this machine. But and you don't see anything like on the machine. And I say that because this thing actually has enough power. I mean, this one has a Kawasaki engine in the back here, and you can tell it is because this thing is a little dirty, but it will be cleaned up before we use it again. But you know, what do you expect?